Today I will be filming a high sleek bun. It's pretty simple. So yeah. So right here I'm just putting some water in my hand to wet my hair so that when I put the moisturizer in, it's going to be a little bit easier for me to manage and it'll become a little bit more softer, so much more quicker than just putting the moisturizer in my hair. Right here, I'm taking my brush and I'm just brushing the previous hairstyle that I had out since there's so many curls. And now I'm just trying to make sure that I don't have any more curls left. So I'm going to take this Virgo hair fertilizer that's supposed to help your hair grow, and I'm putting a little bit in the middle of my scalp. Now I'm using my Cantu moisturizer and I'm just moisturizing my hair even more. Then once again, brushing it in to make sure that it really gets in my hair. Right here, I'm taking my Human Nature Edge Control and putting it around my hair to make sure that I achieve that sleek look. Then I'm going to take my smoothing brush and brush it. Now this is the important part. I take a hair tie or a rubber band, shoelace, string, whatever you want to call it, and I tie it around my hair to make sure that I achieve the puffiest, highest bun possible. And this is how it turned out. So now I'm going to take my edge control and I'm going to pick out my edges to make sure that I get them sleeked. And then I'm going to put the edge control on my edges. Then I'm going to do my swooping motion like I always do. Now, I'm going to make sure that I like it, first off. And now, I'm going to take my Got2b freeze spray. And I'm going to spray it on my edges and on the top of my hair to make sure that there aren't any flyaways and that it'll last longer. Then I take my hair tie and I tie it down for about 20 minutes to make sure that it's set. Now I'm just taking off the wrap after 20 minutes. Carefully removing it to make sure that I don't pull up the edges that I just laid down. And after I do that, I'm going to fluff out my bun a little bit since the hair tie kind of laid down my poofy bun. Like so, until I get the acquired look that I want. And now we're all done. Thanks for watching my hair tutorial. Most of the products that were in the video are on my website, link in the description.